Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add commands on Twitch. So in order to add commands on Twitch, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to the internet service and then log into your Twitch account. After that, you need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon, go to the settings or the gear icon, and this is going to take you to the settings or the settings page. You're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on channels and video. After that, it's going to take you to the channel or video page. So while you're on the channel page here, you need to go ahead and tap on Stream Manager. This is going to take you to the Stream Manager page. So in order to add command on Twitch, you'll need to use the chat bot feature. So for that, you need to go ahead and type in. So over here, you need to type in exclamation command and exclamation hello. So make sure that you keep a space between command. After that, you need to give a space. And you need to type in what you actually want the command to do. I'll click on the chat button and you'll need to wait for them to respond, and that is basically how you can enable command on Twitch. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.